Welcome back to the channel. Today is January 3rd, 2025. Welcome back to the channel. Today is January 3rd, 2026, and we are taking a road trip. We are going over to Wally's construction site in Indiana.
Wally's is located, or will be located, just northwest of Indianapolis in a little community called Whitestown, Indiana. It's about 150 miles from where we live. Just gonna take a road trip through the countryside of Indiana.
Follow us.
Just north of Greenville, Ohio, you've got this barn with an Annie Oakley mural painted on the side. Traveling west on US Route 36, the last town that you encounter before you leave the state of Ohio is the small town of Palestine. We've now entered Indiana. Seems somebody must have run the sign over that says "Welcome to Indiana" because it wasn't there, but we're in Indiana. What do they say, Sonia?
There's more than corn in Indiana.
Just outside of Newcastle, Indiana, got this old Pure Oil gas sign. It says, "Be sure with Pure." But that sign is right next to the 1,000 degrees wood-fired pizza. Look at the outside of this restaurant. We're fired up. Okay, we found out that this is actually Mount Summit, Indiana. Across the street from the 1,000-degree wood-fired pizza, they got overflow parking, and in this parking lot they got this really cool train engine. Got some flames on it. And they've also got this old tractor. It's about 24 degrees out here. You see the snow still on the ground here in Mount Summit, Indiana. Let's look at the restaurant from across the street. This is US 36 running in front of the restaurant. Making a pit stop in Anderson, Indiana at the Uranus Fudge Factory and General Store. We're not going to go inside today because we don't have a whole lot of time, but we did do a video of the Uranus Fudge Factory in Richmond, Indiana from last July. The original's on Route 66. This was the second location, and the Richmond, Indiana location was third. We got an astronaut standing out in front of the store. See on his shoulder there, he's got a Interstate I-69 Uranus. Says he's keeping Uranus Klingon free. Here we've got Tiffany in the kissing booth. As you can see, they do a lot of play on words here at Uranus. Here you can pet the alien outside the store. It says pet the alien at your own risk. I'll give it a try. Nothing happened. You can see them in there. See, they're open daily from 9 to 8. And right out in front of the store, we've got a Zoltar machine.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Here they've also got mini golf. And I'll just let you read the sign. Cool thing about this place is they got a lot of wacky characters and statues around. And here we've got a hot dog, and he's putting some ketchup on his head, and the other hand he's got a bottle of mustard. This is the Uranus Meat and Sausage Company, established 2015. This is the ice cream shop next to the main store. See this nice wall mural here, and we've got these wacky ice cream cones sticking out of the building. Right next to the ice cream store, we got a dinosaur. Looks like he's getting ready to break out of his cage. Who we got sitting on top of the building there? Looks like a Paul Bunyan type figure. Another one of the wall murals on the ice cream shop. See, they've taken his old milk can and made a seat out of it. We got one of the highly decorated picnic tables. Again, I'll just let you read the saying on the bench here. You see the sign above the door to the ice cream shop states, "The sun always shines in Uranus." They've got this sign here at the exit of the store. Again, I'll let you read it. It's got a flag up on the light pole in front of the store. This is what the Wally's looks like as you exit northbound I-65 at exit 133. Well, we hope you enjoyed this drone video of the Wally's that's under construction here north of Indianapolis in Whitestown, Indiana. This is going to be the third Wally's in the chain. They've got one in Pontiac, Illinois, and Fenton, Missouri. This is going to be the largest of the three. The store is supposed to be 54,000 square feet with 80 plus gas pumps plus EV chargers. And we've never been to a Wally's before, so kind of looking forward to this one opening up so we can come over here and check it out. I guess Wally's is kind of the closest competition you're going to get to a Buc-ee's, but until we actually get to see one, we really won't know. I know from the air, it looks a lot smaller than the Buc-ee's that we've been filming under construction over in Huber Heights, Ohio. It's still a pretty good sized store. With the snow on the ground, it's really kind of hard to see some of the progress that's been made on the ground, but there were a few guys on the back of the building working.
And this one looks like it's a lot taller in structure, and it's going to have a lot of glass windows in the frontage. It does have a self-serve kiosk inside, unlike the Buc-ee's would, which is a nice feature.
I know one thing that I'll say about the Wally's compared to a Buc-ee's is they got a very cool sign that they put in front of the building. I'm really looking forward to seeing that, especially at night. Wally's is known as the home of the Great American Road Trip. According to their website, they have great service, tasty food, clean restrooms, and unexpected necessities. So we're looking forward to it opening. The information that we found online said this was supposed to open in the fall of 2026. We also saw some information that said they were hoping to be open by Memorial Day. So I don't know. It's first week of January, and looking at the construction site and comparing that to the Buc-ee's that we've been following in Ohio, I think that Memorial Day might be a little bit of a push for them, but we'll see.
You never know.
Yeah, we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to try and make it over here for the grand opening.
It looks like the Wally's is going to have like your carving station, your coffees, your beverages, popcorn, beef jerky, and sweet treats, which is probably the ice cream.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll be screaming fresh brisket on the board.
They are going to have, they do have barbecue. It shows on their site, in the pictures I've seen, they have barbecue, pizza, popcorn. And
we also saw a picture where they have like an RV or a replica of an RV, or maybe it's a real RV inside the store, for the Great American Road Trip. So kind of looking forward to seeing how Wally's presents everything compared to a Buc-ee's. Here at the Marathon in Whitestown, not too far from where the Wally's is being built. This Marathon gas station has a Charlie Biggs chicken and sauce. It says kick it up a notch. Never been to a Charlie Biggs before. If you've ate there, let us know how it is. There's also the remnants of a Buc-ee's styrofoam cup here at the gas station. Wonder where that one came from. The closest Buc-ee's is pretty far from here. It has been reported that Buc-ee's is planning its first Indiana travel center in Greenwood, Indiana, which is just south of Indianapolis. This is on I-65, about 40 miles south of where the Wally's Travel Center is being built, north of Indianapolis. It's reported that the company is in discussions to purchase a 28-acre site off of East Worsville Road near I-65. This drone video shows the intersection of I-65 and East Worsville Road. The right side of the screen shows the south corner of East Worsville Road and I-65, and the left side of the screen shows the north corner. The reports aren't clear on if the Buc-ee's is looking at the north or south side of East Worsville Road. After visiting the site, we kind of feel that it's going to be on the south side. Saw a lot of flags and markers out there along with a for sale sign. We'll be back after the construction gets started to bring you guys a construction update. We're here in Rushville, Indiana. They still have an operating Radio Shack. When's the last time you saw an operating Radio Shack? It is still open. Also here in Rushville, got a wall mural of Wilkie for president. We looked it up and he ran for president in 1940. He didn't win, but he's immortalized on the side of a wall here in Rushville, Indiana. Okay guys, this place looks so cool on the way out to Indianapolis. We just had to stop on the way back. We're gonna try out the 1,000 degree wood-fired pizza in Mount Summit, Indiana. Got an old jukebox on the table here for a nickel. It's an old Wurlitzer. You don't see those anymore. This place is really cool. The old metal toy Ferris wheel. Old cars, looks like a light from a taxi cab. When's the last time you saw a postage stamp machine? Got an old Coca-Cola machine, 10 cents. Got a parking meter. And an old Sinclair gas pump. Premium too. Sign here tells us this building is over 70 years old. It was a service station, truck and tractor sales, a kitchen for a soup kitchen, and now 1,000 degree wood-fired pizza. Okay, the food has arrived. We got a 14-inch pepperoni pizza. Looks good. Okay, Sonia, first bite.
Cheese pull. It's good. Very good, very cheesy.
Better?
All right, Ron.
All right, first bite. Look at the crust on it. It's really good.
How's that?
Very good. Okay, Sonia, what did you think of your pizza here at the 1,000 Degrees Wood-Fired Pizza in Mount Summit, Indiana?
It was good. Crust is real light.
Yeah, I thought it was very good. Very unique taste with that crust.
Yes, it was.
So, glad we stopped. It's worth a visit if you're in the area.
You got a lot of neat stuff to look at
Oh yeah,
while you're waiting.
You could spend an hour in here just looking at all the cool vintage decorations they have. Old pay telephones, old stamp machines, a speaker set from a drive-in movie theater. It just goes on and on and on.
The old lunch boxes, the metal tin lunch boxes, there's a lot of them.
Definitely worth a stop if you're in the area. Check them out. Ziggy the Clown. Ziggy the Clown talks to you, Sonia. Go ahead and give him a try. There's 75 cents. Did you get something?
Yes, I did.
Look at that. Let's see what you got there.
I got a little motorcycle.
You got a motorcycle. Look at that.
Check that out. How cool is that?
It's a good deal.
And it actually worked. That was even awesome.
Ziggy the Clown.
Yes.
Hey, out front of the entrance to the restaurant, we got an old fire truck. Looks like an old coin-op machine. Got a guy holding a lantern. And a John Deere gas pump. I think that's going to do it for today. I'd like to thank you guys for coming along. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button for us.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.